Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. And today in this video we gonna discuss about the updated process of getting TCS ID card. Many of you might have already know that recently TCS has started sending ID cards through courier. Previously it is used to deliver the ID cards through courier service by raising a request in material movement tracker which is nothing but MMT in Ultimatics. But now some part of that process has changed. So let's see the updated process of collecting that ID card. But before moving into the video, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever we upload a new video. So coming back to our topic, as we all know that it is mandatory to have ID card to start working from office. And also for appearing for Wings 1 exam, which is the recent buzz that to appear for Wings 1 exam, we need to have TCS ID card because they are planning to conduct this Wings 1 exam physically. So to get the ID card, you need to follow some steps. And the first step is uploading a photo in My Profile. So the path to upload a photo in Ultimatics is go to Ultimatics and then Applications, in that GESS, and under that My Profile, and then My Photo. There you can upload a photo. And there are some rules while uploading a photo, and the rules should be it should be a passport size photo. And the second one is it should be a color photo with white background. And the next rule is head should be straight and the both shoulders should be visible. Means the posture should be straight and formal. And the dress should be formal. And the next one is size of the photo should be less than 1 MB. And the format should be JPG or JPEG. You can see all these rules are mentioned over there in the My Photo section where you want to upload the photo. You can see there also you need to follow all these rules while uploading a photo. Once the photo is uploaded successfully, then the photo will go to your supervisor for approval. And after the approval of the photo, you need to reach the BGHR spokes, which is nothing but business group HR spokes, along with some details. And you need to get some necessary approvals before visiting the office. And the details should be shared like your employee ID, your name and the project name and the base location. You can see your base location by following this path. And the associate type. You can give your type of associate like whether you are TCS or BA or intern. You can give according to your role. Then after giving all these, you need to get the necessary approvals before visiting the office. Once you share all these details with your BGHR spoke, then they will share these details with the DC location admin team for printing ID card. And then once done with this process, you can raise 2 office requests to visit the office. And after visiting the office, you can show the approval mail which you get from your BGHR spoke to your DC location admin. Then they will issue the ID card. Then you can collect that ID card and come back. So this is the whole and updated process of collecting ID card from TCS. Hope you got some information from this video. If you feel this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you.